Have you seen the hashtag I stand with Russia? It's trending right now. But IKEA does not stand with Russia. Today, IKEA let their people know, the staff and all of the beautiful Russian people, of which there are thousands of them here right now. I'm walking the line to the checkout. It took us 45 minutes to get into IKEA. And now I've been standing in line for half an hour, and it looks like I'll probably be here for, the line's nearly 200 meters long. So yes, IKEA does not stand with Russia. IKEA has bought into either the globalist power, or IKEA has bought into the mainstream mania that is anti-Russia right now. These are beautiful people. These are ordinary people. Thousands of people today across Russia got told that their jobs end tomorrow just because they're Russian. Just because their president is standing up to corrupt powers that are trying to control the world. So go and Google search hashtag I stand with Putin and hashtag I stand with Russia, and go and have a look at how awake people are to what is actually going on. And if you do a tiny little ounce of research yourself, you will see how corrupt Ukraine is, how the coup happened in 2014 to regime change America, how much money has been pumped in there, how they've been pressuring Putin, how Putin's been saying, hey, look, this is a red line, you can't go here, zero negotiations from NATO and the West. So guys, Putin was pushed into this. He doesn't want this fight any more than any of these people want this fight. I'm still walking the line, by the way, nearly 2 minutes in, still walking this line, and it'll go forever. It's hundreds of meters behind me. Guys, thousands of people are being impacted. Yes, Ukraine has been impacted massively. I wish that those neo-Nazi soldiers there would stop hiding in hospitals and schools and using human shields of the Ukrainian people. You're not seeing that on mainstream media, are you? What you're seeing is propaganda. Stop listening to the propaganda. This is affecting people. Pull your head out your ass if you actually think this is what the mainstream media is telling you that it is, because it's not. It's a hell of a lot more. Here we are. Eventually, I'm going to go find my grandma. Here she is. All right, have fun. Stop believing the bullshit. Think for yourself. Hello.